चलो, गुड मॉर्निंग वंस अगेन. थोड़ा जोर से. यू आर हियर फॉर अ पर्पस, सो टेल योर सेल्फ गुड मॉर्निंग एंड थोड़ा स्माइल देना ना, बिकॉज अर्ली मॉर्निंग चिट चैट में स्माइल इज कंपल्सरी. एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग यू शुड टेल योर सेल्फ, raise your arms like this, please do it. Okay, raise your arms, put it behind and pat yourself that today early morning you woke up and you are over here. So raise your arms and pat yourself, because when you pat yourself, believe me, वो अच्छी फीलिंग आनी चाहिए आपको कि मैंने कुछ आज अच्छा किया है. आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग आई एम बीइंग ओवर हियर with Mayur Sampat chit chat. Okay. And that makes a hell of a lot of difference. Why? Whenever you say thank you, okay, दिमाग में एक केमिकल लोचा होता है which gives you that good feeling. Yes or no? Just think about it. Just think about that advantage which you are getting when you say thank you. Just think about it. Now, the first thing you did today was you raised your arm and you pat yourself. You have done a good job. Yeah, thank you. So, first of all, you are thanking yourself for waking up early morning and you are here chit chat with Mayur Sampat. So that good feeling is there, right? Sharir dukh raha hai, to just do this exercise, which I always tell you. Simple exercise. Just do this and thoda relax ho jaoge. So becomes important that we continuously follow this wonderful routine of ours. And it has been almost a year, a month now. In fact, एक महीना हो गया. We are together, and I would love to thank you all for being over here. Is it not so wonderful? The word thank you, gratification. How many times in the whole day are we saying thank you? Practically 0 times. Now our wife, our mother, our daughter is working tirelessly in the kitchen. Have we appreciated, said thank you that today the food what you have made is excellent? But what we normally do is we take everything on the face value. It is like our supreme ड्यूटी. इनफैक्ट हमारे को ये सब तो मिला ही है तो उनका ये काम है. नो 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 नो, इट इज नॉट दैट. दे आर डूइंग इट फॉर द लव which they are having for you, and for that we should be really thankful to them. Today I would really appreciate that you thank them at least 2 times in this day. Why? Because even in this lockdown they are working 24/7, where you are not going to the office, you are sitting at home. That means extra pressure to them, from breakfast, lunch, tea time, and again dinner. And at night, while you are watching your TV, you will say, oh my God, I am hungry, why not some popcorn? And they will go inside the kitchen to have or give you that popcorn what you need. So please understand the amount of hard work, the amount of effort they are putting in to make you comfortable. Now, do they not deserve a simple thank you and appreciation for their hard work? Practically, we have forgotten this simple two lines, two words, thank you. We have never said thank you to our parents. Why? I remember saying thank you to my mother, who was just not so literate, but she was continuously behind me to go to school. She would take up my studies. In fact, she used to even come to my teacher's parent meeting, and all of the teachers used to talk in English, and she just was nodding the head. She was able to understand the English, but she was not able to speak the English. Now, is this not commensable? Parents working so hard for us. So a small word of a thank you to them, thanking them for whatever they are putting in. It is sheer love. Believe me, they don't really even would have expected that you will say thank you to them. But it is our duty, because when you will say the thank you, believe me, you will feel good about it. Yes, you will feel good about it, because this small appreciation towards them, towards their hard work, practically gives them that extra, gives them that extra that they deserve. A simple thank you for their tiring work in the kitchen. Please understand, you are sitting in your room with AC on while they are in front of the hot stove, sweating it out for you. So when you sit down on the dinner table to have your dinner, your lunch, a small two-letter words, a thank you, appreciating the food what you have received. अरे क्या मस्त बना यार, मजा आ गया. Will this not give them that happiness they require? It is more than anything else in the world. Now, when you go to a hotel, you actually tip the waiter, yes or no, after the thing, appreciating for his good services. But think about one thing, you never ever go inside the kitchen and tip the cook who has actually prepared the food. But you definitely, it is an appreciation towards the waiter for giving you good services. So now when you receive these services at home, is it not your duty? You're not, I'm not telling you to give the tip. The tip will be in the form of thank you. Thank you for this wonderful food. Thank you for making my life better. Is this not what you should be doing? Just think about it. So when somebody who is coming at your residence as a helper, okay, they come in from far off place. In this COVID time also they do come. Now it is definitely a tiring job, but when they are about to leave, and if you say the two words, thank you Basu for coming over here and doing this job, will this not help them feel good that someone is appreciating their work? If they break something, we give galis and shout at them, but it is okay, yaar, it is a part and parcel of the work. Sometimes things do break, but it is fine, but we shout at them. But in that period time, if you just say okay okay ठीक है हो गया चलो कोई गल नहीं, it's fine. Is this not a way of appreciating that? Okay, done, go ahead. Now most of us will never ever do so. When they will ask for bonus, we will say kai ka bonus, kyun bonus, blah blah blah. But we accept bonus from our offices also. Indirectly, a way of appreciation, you feel that you deserve. So guys, whether it is person who is making your life smooth, whether it is our siblings, whether it is our parents, one thing is for sure, they are giving you a lot. It is now time to say thank you and appreciation for all the good things they have done for us. Just think about it. Just close your eyes and think about the amount of hard work they are putting in. Just that when you wake up, the tea is on the table. When you wake up, the hot breakfast is on the table. Tiring working for you. Okay. From morning 6 o'clock to midnight, they just keep on and on, just that you become more comfortable. And what we actually do, अरे यार खाने में नमक नहीं है, so we crib, we do not even think once, खाने में नमक नहीं है तो it is okay यार, कभी कभी गलती गलती नहीं बोला जाता है, it is because of so much of pressure they are going through to give you the children's, the parents, the food on time. They are multitasking, believe me, they are multitasking, and we do not even appreciate once for their good work. Is this correct? Just think about it. Morning 6 o'clock they are on their toes. Okay, दूध गरम करने से लेके आपका नाश्ता बनाने से लेके thinking about what they should give for lunch, dinner, getting the vegetables, getting the grocery, everything, every small little thing which a MBA student just learn never to apply. Okay, just think about it. Logistics, okay, से लेके getting the things in place. This is what they do day in and day out without appreciation. Is this correct? Now, today is the time that you start appreciating their efforts, because of them you are what you are. So if you do not feel like, or if you feel ashamed, don't feel ashamed. Today on the dinner table, just tell them, maza aa gaya. Today the food was excellent. And see the small smile on the face. On the first day, they will think, अरे यार मेरे खाने में कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, इसके वजह से ये मेरा मस्ती कर रहा है. Believe me, this will be their situation because they are never expecting this from you to say thank you because they have never heard this. But please believe me, when you appreciate and when you say yaar khana bahut maza aa gaya, you know, excellent food, and if you appreciate their small effort, and when you will see the smile on their face, that is going to make your day a wonderful day. And then when you sleep at night, you also will feel good about it. Say thank you. Start saying thank you to your parents, to your wife, sometimes to your children who are doing your work. Hey, jaake pani leke aa, and they will give you water. So is this what you want? Or when they bring in the water, and if you say thank you beta, good job, so they also will feel good about it. मैं जब भी पानी लेके आता हूँ, my father is feeling good and he tells me thank you. Wow, such a wonderful feeling. When your helper comes to your residence, okay, and he does the job which technically in the lockdown very difficult, you were doing this job, now he is doing it for on your behalf and you are paying for his services. But think about it, is this only thing, or just yeah, thank you very much Basu, you came, I appreciate, and the good feeling he will have. Now he may be working maybe 5 places, different places, but आप thank you बोलते हो उसके उसके काम के लिए. तो every time, at least I can tell you by my experience, every time he is leaving the house, he will say, sir मैं जा रहा हूँ, and I'll say thank you dear. Just imagine, he will just inform me because now he is got into that habit of listening to that thank you, because he's never appreciated. Okay, so for this small thing, when I go to take the bhajis from the Dadar market, okay, why I hand over the money to the bhaji wala and I tell him thank you, you know, out of 4 I get at least 2 response, सामने मेरे को भी thank you बोलते हैं. That, you know, that is that good feeling. बेचारे को मालूम ही नहीं पड़ रहा है ये बंदा मेरे को thank you क्यों बोल रहा है. But I really appreciate, whether it is any particular work which we are getting, okay, and if you just learn to say thank you, learn to appreciate things, life will be different, because this is going to create a good chemical locha in your mind. And once you have that good chemical locha in your mind, believe me, your day is going to go fantastic. Okay, we come out of all the hardship which is going on. We really don't want to become depressed and sad and all that. So when you will start, please start practicing from the day. Say thank you and see the amount of happiness you get in your life. Is this not a wonderful thought? Is this not the thing which you want? The good feelings? Yeah. So learn to say thank you. Learn to appreciate things. Now you will be motivated and you may start doing this for few days and then you will forget about it. No, you should not be forgetting about it. So today, write down in that note of yours, if you are taking down the notes, that I need to say thank you very often, almost on a daily basis. In fact, I thank God every day for this wonderful life which I am living. I thank my parents for giving me such wonderful surrounding, the good food which I am having, the education which they provided me. So learn to say thank you to your wife, to your children, to your parents, and whoever have helped you. A friend of yours, yaar, aaj phone uthao, and somebody must have helped you for whatever XYZ reason, I don't know, but usko phone उठाओ यार, बात करने का मन किया है, and उसमें आप उसको बताओ कि you appreciate his effort for his help to you, and say thank you yaar, I really appreciate it. Is it not going to make his day? So a humble request to everyone, like I always do, I really thank the people who come to my chit chat. So thank you, Angelo, for being over here. Harshal, Kunal, Nitin, Dr. Vardhan, Varun. Thank you all for being over here. I appreciate you taking out time to set your morning routines. Love you all. Take care. And I will see you tomorrow morning with the thank you note for you. Please go ahead and learn and embed this particular two word, thank you. Appreciate someone for whatever they are doing in your life. The two word is going to change the opposite party's day, and the good feeling what you will get is the return which you are going to get. So love you for this. Take care, and I will see you tomorrow morning 6 o'clock for one more chit chat with Mayur Sampath. Please, in case you have not subscribed to my channel Mayur Sampath, please do subscribe. And if you find this video useful, okay, which I'm going to post today afternoon, please forward it to others so that they also learn to appreciate the things. Take care. Corona abhi talak gaya nahi hai. So take care of yourself. Learn to say thank you. This is Mayur Sampath signing off. Bye-bye.
Sir, thank you very much to you also first.